Hello and welcome back to Bajan Hot Sauce Videos. Today's video is going to be a walk from my home in Chimborazo all the way through Coffee Gully, through Blackman's, down Horse Hill, Parish Hill, go through Joe's River, the old bridge, then go up Cleaver's Hill, down Cleaver's Hill, I mind you, and we'll end up down on Bathsheba. It is a really neat walk. It took me about 5 hours. I saw a lot of stuff. I took a lot of pictures, which I'm going to share with you, and I hope you enjoy them. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you of 3 things. Hit the like button if you like the videos, share them, and by all means, subscribe to the channel. We look forward to your subscriptions. So, without much further ado, we're going to get started on this. It's a bit long, but I will pop in here and there to offer a few thoughts along the way. But thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you and enjoy the video. This is the new water tower, the reservoir being built at Castle Grant. It's supposed to supply about 1 million gallons of water. This view is looking from Castle Grant out towards Bridgetown. It's awesome. Hi, Ferdinand Gale and Dr. Salvin Carrington. Do you recognize the place, your home? This is the picture of my alma mater. I used to call it House Hill, Blackman's, West St. Joseph Comprehensive. Now it's Grantley Adams. St. Joseph Parish Church was abandoned many years ago because of an earthquake, but it's still a beautiful structure. You know, photographers don't always observe the signs. We're curious by nature. We want to see what's on the other side. So right here is the beginning of the descent at Cleaver's Hill, where I take my walk all the way down to Phillips Road and down on into Bathsheba. When I reached Bathsheba this time, I was amazed at the low tide. So much of the coral was exposed and so many sea creatures. I was able to walk around on the coral to the back of the basin where that big rock is and take some pictures from that side. So you'll see those coming up in a second. But it was an interesting and most beautiful sight, being able to see the various formations of the coral. Well, thank you for watching Bajan Hot Sauce videos, Walk to Bathsheba. And I'd like to send a shout out to my spouse, Jeannie, in Washington State, and our neighbor next door, Ryan. Hope you enjoyed the video.